My name is Brandon Gonzalez and I'm from Buena Park, California. I'm a robotics engineer. I grew up really into Hondas and Acuras and Nissans and all those imports. I road raced a Honda Civic since I was 16, multiple Integras, and that's what really got me into suspension. But then I guess playing off of that, lately I've become into mountain bikes, which gave me an even better understanding of suspension. So as we were developing the kit for this car, I asked a lot of questions and I think a lot of good ideas came to the car because of it. I have a couple other cars. I have a Ford Raptor and a Toyota Prius. So my field is pretty diverse, I would say. I've road raced cars since I was 15. So I've owned about 30 cars, but this is the only one that I don't think I have a plan of selling ever just because of its story. This is a 1993 Chevrolet Corvette. It was given to me by my uncle, who is probably the biggest reason why I'm into anything with a motor in the first place. So the story of this car starts about 20 years ago. My uncle got it in Chicago. I thought it was the coolest car when he got it. I was in high school. He eventually taught me how to drive stick shift in Chicago in this car. I was so excited to learn how to drive stick in this car that it just came naturally. Eventually it sat for probably 10 to 12 years unused. He eventually moved so he didn't have the extra garage space anymore, gave me the car, but I drove it all the way here from Chicago. This Corvette is largely stock, as I wanted to keep it. It's a 40th anniversary car, 1993, but I was kind of uninterested in it. So what I did was lower it to make me be more interested in it again. I heard about Aldan American at SEMA 2021. I saw the coilovers displayed in the new products area, kind of sparked my interest again in the car, encouraged me to stop by since I found out they were local. Ended up talking to Garrett, the owner, and it seemed like a good project from both of our perspectives, so here we are. So since I've had Aldan American coilovers, I've noticed that the car feels much more planted to the ground. You get a lot more feedback from the car, and these shocks are just far better than what came standard on these cars. My only other plan for this vehicle is potentially to hand fabricate a titanium exhaust, and that's really my only plan. I really want the car to remain mostly stock and as a street car.